I take full responsibility for the energy I have brought into this relationship. If there are memories, expectations, fears, or wounds within me that have created distance between us, I am ready to heal them. I'm sorry for the hurt between us. I'm sorry for the misunderstandings, the assumptions, and the unspoken pain. I'm sorry for the moments I reacted from fear instead of love. I'm sorry for the times my ego spoke louder than my heart. Please forgive me for holding on to resentment. Please forgive me for trying to control what needed patience. Please forgive me for not always listening deeply. Please forgive me for the ways I may have contributed to separation. Thank you for the lessons this connection is teaching me. Thank you for the growth, even when it felt uncomfortable. Thank you for the love that has existed between us, seen and unseen. Thank you for the opportunity to become more aware, more compassionate, more present. I love you beyond the conflict. I love you beyond the silence. I love you beyond expectations and outcomes. I honor your journey, your space, and your truth. I release the past. I release the need to be right. I release fear, doubt, and insecurity. I release attachment to how this must unfold. I choose peace. I choose understanding. I choose emotional safety and harmony. I choose love that is aligned, mutual, and whole. If we are meant to grow together, may this relationship deepen with clarity and respect. If we are meant to walk different paths, may we part with gratitude and grace. I trust that healing is happening now. I trust that love is restoring balance. I trust that what is truly meant for me will remain. I am at peace